Welcome to the course on Electrical Master YouTube channel. We are meeting after long days. Let me tell me first about myself. I didn't discuss about myself anywhere. See, my gate rank is 339. I have qualified in ESC prelims 3 times. I have cleared the separate exams except gate BDL, BHEL, Vizag Steel. Right now I am working with Vizag Steel. Which exam going to happen? Stay tuned. I am going to say when Vizag Steel. Probability is there. Exact no one can say, but probability as per my information. TS Transco my rank is AE, Assistant Engineer 22, and TSPSC AW rank 4 in R&D. With this vast experience, and what I want to say is that today's situation is that everything is going online. In this lockdown period, everything is online. N number of institute has been increased. So it is good also, it is bad also, because student will get confused from where to get exact data. For my sake, keeping overall institute, what I can feel right now, you can use two courses. First is Unacademy, second is, and one more, Unacademy is giving free courses. You can subscribe there, and KM Rao is also giving fee up to lockdown free courses. You can go there and enjoy the courses. See, I have decided to start a all-rounder course for the request by some student. Still, I am working in Vizag. Still, I know how is the pattern. I am going to say a little bit on this. See, one thing is clear: exam will not happen before August. What I can see, it is a prediction only. By working in Vizag, still I have observed that NLC also same like that. For this, you have to there are 5 parts you have to prepare: reasoning, aptitude, English, and you can say general awareness and respective engineering. See, present trend is that due to coronavirus, you won't get too much notification. In 2020, you will get notification only in the month of September, October, November, December, not before that. So, as you know, if you prepare for GATE, it is a good exam. I will prepare. You have to prepare. Only one chance. If you didn't get good marks in GATE, then everything is finished for 1 year. Right now, what you have seen, you see that many like BHL, BDL, Vizag Steel, slowly they are coming, NLC coming out of GATE. The trend is now they are slowly diverging from GATE. So what I want to say you that prepare for GATE, but prepare extra, because if you lose GATE, entire thing is gone, and number of vacancies are going less. IUCL this year reduced its package, joining initial basic for 50,000. So everything is going around, you can say, unemployment. So what I want to say is that prepare don't prepare, sit and prepare for one exam. Right now, don't sit and prepare for one exam. For safe side, you have to prepare this aptitude, general awareness also, because except GATE, you write any exam, you need that. Now IRMS, Railways has removed vacancy from engineering service. Surely more or less some you will see general awareness, you will see at least a small part. It is somewhat going to CSC prelims. So for this, keeping in this mind, I have started a branch called all-rounder course, where I am going to solve every day around 20 questions, combining this all, and I will give in form of question, and I will explain theory behind it so that it cover a vast area. So please join this course. It is free of course. You will find it YouTube. It will enhance your preparation for Vizag Steel. See, in Vizag Steel, this last year 2018, when they conducted, they given respect to individual time here. So you need to be very fast. And one more thing, how to prepare. See, many students have asked me, is there any YouTube channel? You can follow my channel, and moreover, how to prepare for this exam, Vizag Steel or NLC. See, For engineering, you solve standard textbook backside bits. Next, ESC prelims. Third, gate 1 mark. These are must. Now, for general awareness, from where you will prepare general awareness? Tell me, friends. SSC, CGL crash course. You search this in YouTube. SSC CGL crash course notes. You just prepare. There are so many channels there. Wi-Fi study is there. Mahindra Tech is there. Success Mantra Education is there. You will find previous year's question. They will solve the questions and they will give theoretical knowledge. But it will take somewhat time. You have to be patient. Next over, you follow my this all-round course where if I give a question, I will explain background behind it so that from one question you will get to solve 3 to 4 question always. So by having this much experience, I am going to ease your preparation. This is free of cost. Nothing is there. You know, unemployment is more. Where the information what I got is, see here, 136 billion Indian risk is there. Once this coronavirus will end, when the flight, what I am expecting, when the flight get open, all foreigners going who are Indians and residing in foreigners will going to come and stay in India because of jobless and competition going to increase. You know, all PSUs are losses. DHL has reduced its perks by 50% this month, and airlines has lay out their employee without pay. So this Telangana state has declared. There are so many discussions. So BTech first year and second year also may get promoted to next year without exam. So all this is that GATE is what I want to say. GATE is a standard exam, but number of opportunities will slowly coming down. You have to observe this curve. From 2012 it has increased. Now GATE is decreased. Of course, it won't go down. It will stay here. It is a standard exam, no doubt in that. But opportunities will be less now. So by this I have started an all-round course. Please follow my channel. If you have any doubt, how about anything you want to know about PSU, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply.